Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of how to fix Tapo camera night vision not working. So, if you are encountering this frustrating issue, so worry not, you are not alone. Many users have encountering this same issue. So to fix that issue, you can follow these some simple on-screen instructions. So the first fix is check night vision settings. Open the Tapo app on your mobile device or PC and log into your account. After that, navigate to the camera settings and find the night vision option. And ensure that night vision is set to auto mode, which allows the camera to switch between day and night modes based on the night condition. Fix 2. Adjust camera angle. Make sure the camera is positioned in a way that the IR lights are not reflected by walls or surface. Reflections can cause the night vision to appear overexposed or washed up. Adjust the camera angle to minimize reflection and improve the night vision quality. Fix 3. Verify day night mode. Check the day night mode of the camera and ensure it is set to auto mode. Manually switch the mode is to see if the image returns the normal. If the camera does not switch modes automatically, try covering the day night sensor with your hands or replacing the camera in a dark environment to test the night vision. Solution. Fix 4. Reset the camera. Turn off night vision in the camera settings and then wait for 10 seconds, then turn night vision back on. This process can help reset the Wi Fi connection and improve the camera performance. Fix 5. Test in dark environment. To test the night vision, place the camera in dark environment and observe the image quality. So, if the camera switch to night mode and the image is clear, the issue may be related to lighting condition in the original environment. Fix 6. Contact Tapo support. So if the none of the above steps work and still you are facing this issue, so worry not. You can simply contact the Tapo customer support by using a tapo.com/support page. Here you can simply generate a query against your issue, and after that wait for some times that the Tapo associative will assist you to resolve this issue. So you can wait up to 24 hours. After that they will fix your issue. So and that's it, you are now easily fixed this issue. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.